The best wireless digital microscope enables detailed inspection, effortless magnification, and portable convenience for education, repairs, research, and precision work anywhere. My today's video is about top 5 best wireless digital microscope that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wirsch Trinocular Microscope 40x5000x. This professional trinocular compound microscope is built for users who need laboratory-level performance with exceptional flexibility. Featuring WF10x and WF25x wide-angle eyepieces, 2x magnifying lenses, and a high-resolution electronic eyepiece, it delivers comfortable viewing with adjustable interpupillary distance and refractive correction, making long observation sessions easier. Its advanced infinity optical system and true 195 achromatic objective lenses significantly improve image sharpness while minimizing chromatic aberration, producing crisp, color-accurate images across an impressive 40x/5000x magnification range. The integrated LED illumination, dual coarse and fine focusing controls, double-layer mechanical stage, and 360 degrees rotating trinocular head provide smooth, precise operation for demanding laboratory tasks. An extensive accessory kit, including prepared slides, cover slips, petri dishes, tweezers, droppers, and cleaning tools, adds outstanding value for immediate use. Whether you're conducting biological research, teaching science, performing veterinary inspections, or exploring advanced microscopy, this versatile microscope offers professional-grade performance, excellent expandability, and reliable imaging for both educational and scientific applications. Now our second product is Andenstar AD246SM3 Lens 2160p HDMI Digital Microscope. The Andenstar 3-lens digital microscope is a highly versatile tool designed for electronics repair, scientific observation, education, and hobby exploration. Its interchangeable lenses make switching between soldering tasks, coin inspection, biological slide analysis, and plant or mineral observation quick and effortless. The ultra-clear 2160p resolution delivers outstanding image quality, while HDMI output lets you display detailed visuals on a larger monitor for comfortable viewing in collaborative work. The upgraded metal boom arm stand provides exceptional stability and flexible positioning, making it especially useful for precision soldering and other hands-on tasks. With magnification reaching up to 2000x on an external display, this microscope captures intricate details with remarkable clarity. The included biological slides and accessories add immediate value for beginners and experienced users alike. Professional measurement software further enhances functionality by enabling accurate measurements, image capture, and video recording on Windows PCs, combining premium optics, durable construction, and multifunctional performance. This microscope is an excellent choice for workshops, classrooms, laboratories, and home projects. Our third product is SkyBasic Wireless Digital Microscope. This Wi-Fi handheld digital microscope is an excellent choice for students, hobbyists, educators, and DIY enthusiasts seeking portable magnification with wireless convenience. It connects seamlessly to Android and iOS devices through its built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, while USB support ensures compatibility with Windows and Mac computers. The 2MP HD CMOS sensor captures sharp 1080p images on smartphones, making it easy to inspect coins, plants, insects, electronics, and other small objects. Its 8 adjustable LED lights provide consistent illumination, producing clear, detailed images even in low-light conditions. One-touch photo and video recording allows users to instantly save observations for sharing or documentation. The lightweight, compact design makes it ideal for outdoor exploration, classroom activities, and travel. With a recommended focal distance of 3 to 60 mm, it delivers reliable close-up viewing for everyday applications. Although it is better suited for casual observation than advanced laboratory research, its simple setup, cross-platform compatibility, and user-friendly Max-C app make it a practical and affordable digital microscope for learning and creative projects. Now number 4, Fusion 4K50-1000X Wi-Fi USB Digital Handheld Microscope. The Fusion 4K Wi-Fi digital microscope delivers impressive image quality and excellent portability, making it a versatile choice for students, hobbyists, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. Its 3840x2160p 4K resolution captures sharp, highly detailed images of circuit boards, coins, jewelry, insects, skin, and other tiny objects. The upgraded Wi-Fi chip ensures smooth, low-latency video streaming to smartphones, while USB connectivity provides a stable experience on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS computers. Broad compatibility across iOS, Android, tablets, and desktops makes it easy to use with virtually any device. The built-in 8 adjustable LED lights provide bright, even illumination, while independent focus and brightness controls help produce crisp, clear images in different environments. Smartphone users also benefit from convenient digital zoom controls for closer inspection. The included stable stand improves precision during prolonged observation and detailed work. Combining 4K clarity, reliable wireless performance, cross-platform compatibility, and user-friendly controls, this digital microscope offers exceptional value for education, electronics repair, collecting, and everyday microscopic exploration. And our last choice is Fusion 4K Wi-Fi microscope. The Fusion 4K Wi-Fi digital microscope combines cutting-edge imaging with exceptional versatility, making it an excellent tool for home users, hobbyists, students, collectors, and electronics enthusiasts. Its true 3840x2160p 4K resolution delivers outstanding image clarity, revealing intricate details on coins, stamps, jewelry, circuit boards, plants, skin, and other tiny subjects. Thanks to broad compatibility, it connects effortlessly to iPhones, Android devices, Windows PCs, Macs, Linux, and Chrome OS, providing flexible viewing across nearly every platform. Its wide-angle lens is ideal for capturing entire coins or larger specimens, while the long focal length offers extra working space for precision soldering and electronics repair. Wireless smartphone connectivity ensures convenient inspection on the go, while USB support provides a stable desktop experience. The intuitive controls make it accessible for beginners, yet powerful enough for advanced users. Backed by responsive customer support and a replacement guarantee for quality issues, this microscope offers dependable performance, impressive 4K imaging, and remarkable value for education, professional inspection, and everyday microscopic exploration. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.